Hello, welcome to Megger's Technical Support video series, Frequently Asked Questions. In this video, we will be discussing the Smart Thump 25's hardware. Now, let's get started. In this video, we'll be going over the Smart Thump 25's hardware, main panel, and connection ports. What you have here is a Smart Thump's panel equipped with an emergency stop button, a high voltage safety interlock key, a high voltage red off green on button, a rotary knob, your white on off button, your LED charging status light, a USB slot, and your digital display. On the back of the Smart Thump 25, you have terminals for external 12-volt DC power. You have your equipment safety ground, a fuse holder for the AC input power, your AC power connector, and an external safety device. Also equipped on the Smart Thump 25 are your equipment safety ground, your high voltage return lead, and your high voltage output lead. Comes with a HV lead that is a male MC connector. In order to perform testing, you will have to connect a female MC connector. In order to do so, you will place the male MC connector into the female until you hear or feel a slight click. In order to release it, you will press into each other firmly and then they shall separate afterwards. Also comes equipped with a hotline clamp for the HV return, which is connected to the lead with the bolted connection. A fully charged battery shows 4 green bars. To protect the battery from a deep discharge, the unit turns off automatically, completely, or provides an error message if the battery's discharge too low for safe operations. The external safety device is an optional accessory for the Smart Thump for added protection. This concludes the Smart Thump 25's hardware description. Visit the Megger YouTube channel for more videos including technical webinars, product overviews, and other how-to presentations similar to this one. Contact us for questions or more information about this topic, or for any support that you may need for your electrical testing.